Welcome to Bikesphere, your go-to channel for everything bikes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 dirt bike. A true trailblazer in the dirt bike world, this model brings even more performance, design, and features to the table. Let's get into it. Design and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 showcases a more aggressive design, with a sharper headlamp, new graphics, and an overall muscular build. The bike is equipped with a taller, more comfortable seat and a revised ergonomic setup, making long rides easier on the rider. The standout feature: the fully digital instrument cluster that provides key data like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and even off-road specific information like altimeter and compass. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a 199.6 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This powerhouse delivers a solid 18.8 horsepower, making it perfect for tackling tough trails and off-road challenges. With an improved 5-speed gearbox, this bike ensures smooth shifting and excellent power delivery. Whether you're cruising on dirt roads or conquering steep inclines, the performance won't let you down. Suspension and handling. Hero has upgraded the suspension for 2025, giving the Xpulse 200 a more responsive and forgiving ride. With telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear, it absorbs bumps and rough terrain effortlessly, providing excellent handling in the dirt. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels are paired with knobby tires, ensuring great grip even in muddy or loose conditions. Safety and durability. Safety hasn't been overlooked in the 2025 model. The Xpulse 200 features a robust disc braking system with single-channel ABS to prevent skidding on slippery surfaces. The frame is reinforced for added durability, ensuring that the bike withstands all kinds of rough treatment during off-road adventures. Conclusion: all in all, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is shaping up to be an even more capable and fun dirt bike. With enhanced performance, improved design, and advanced features, it's a fantastic choice for off-road enthusiasts who want a reliable, durable, and powerful machine. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bikesphere for more bike reviews, updates, and news. Catch you in the next one.